Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to add text on your video footage. So just drag the footage on the canvas and you can resize it or fit it with your canvas ratio. So just drag and drop, and I want to add a text on that footage. So what you need to do, you need to click here text, the left side, and click add a text box. So you can write here anything you want, like just type shift. You can make it longer, or you can select the text and you can make it from here. And then you can set it anywhere. You can change the color. I think you can take color picker. So this way you can text on your video footage. So, friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.